In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about two devices that could help track misplaced phones, tablets, or laptops. Losing a phone or a tablet or a laptop is pretty unpredictable because if you are a person who is always careful, you may just lose it one day, or if you are a person who is not careful at all times, it may just get robbed from you. Somebody may just steal your device and take it away. These are the two types of physical devices that you could utilize to keep track of your things. The first thing is a physical Bluetooth tracker. A physical Bluetooth tracker is basically a device that you could attach with your device. When you do so, you have to install an application on your phone. And when your device having the Bluetooth tracker is going away from your phone, it is going to ring with a beep sound, whatever. So for instance, your laptop, if you want, you could get a sticker Bluetooth tracker, stick it on the back of your laptop and have a companion application. So if you are going away from the laptop, or if somebody is trying to take your laptop away and you're not too attentive, your laptop is maybe just at the side where you're sitting down, somebody's trying to take it away, the tracker is going to make a beep sound. Not just your laptop, you could even use a Bluetooth tracker for your phone or your tablet or maybe your keys. A fine example of a Bluetooth tracker for your keys or your laptop or your phone or your tablet is Tile Pro or Tile Meet. The second type of device that you could use is a smart tag. So there's a slight confusion about physical Bluetooth trackers and a smart tag. A physical Bluetooth tracker entirely depends on your phone's Bluetooth. Your Bluetooth tracker is attached to your laptop and it has the companion app installed on your phone. It is totally going to depend on that, how far it is from your phone. And a smart tag is basically attached to the internet. It is not dependent on Bluetooth for your phone. So some fine example about smart tags is Apple AirTag and Samsung Smart Tag. So the Apple AirTag is going to use Find My Apple, the application to track devices online on maps. And the Samsung Smart Tag is going to use SmartThings Find. And smart tags have a more wider network as compared to physical Bluetooth trackers, because if you have a smart tag attached to your laptop or your phone or your keys or whatever, it is going to broadcast its location using nearby similar devices to the internet, and its location is going to get projected on the relevant application to track your device. So if you have maybe Samsung phone which is misplaced somewhere and you had a smart tag on it, you're going to see its location on SmartThings. So these are basically two physical devices that you could actually use, which are very effective in not just keeping your device safe, but also to help in tracking if it is lost or stolen or just misplaced nearby. I would be leaving the links to get to these products on Amazon in the description below. You could click on the link and get to Amazon, and if you want, you could get it from there and make your device secure as soon as possible. Take care, my friend.